Hi everyone, welcome to the SMT TV channel. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell on the right side to get a notification as and when I have the latest video. Show me some love, please like, subscribe and click the bell video. See you inside the channel. Hi everyone, today I want to discuss how to trade index CFDs. Okay, for some of you all know that if you can actually trade index through CFDs, or you can actually trade through futures. Okay, the advantage of trading through CFDs compared to trading with futures. Futures are usually a fixed contract, and you have a fixed contract size, whereas for CFD, you can actually break down the size into smaller bite pieces. Okay, and second thing is also for futures, right? Usually even though it's fixed contract size, the commission tend to be generally lower compared to CFD. But today I just want to talk about index CFD, how you can trade index CFD. Actually, to trade index is actually a very good instrument. Index CFD is a very good instrument because one, it's unlikely that the index will go into a hot position. Let's say, for example, you are shorting a particular stocks. It's possible that the stock go into a trading hot. Okay, when you go to trading hot, you may not be able to unwind your position. But for index, usually the indexes carry on as per normal. Even you're shorting it, longing it, it won't get suspended or even get halted. Okay, that's the first advantage. The second thing is because you can actually make it into a more bite size, it's actually easier to trade the index. Okay, now third thing is for index, right? Usually it's not so affected by company specific news, because if you trade particular stocks, it's possible that because of a certain news that stock jump up 20%, 30%, but because you are trading a bunch of stocks, right, index, right, even that particular one stock move 20%, it may not cause the whole index to move so much. Okay, so there's some form of diversification also. So right now let's go into index and how to trade index, CFD. Okay, so let me put an example of a Dow Jones index. Okay, Dow Jones index. Let's say, example, you have a view of Dow Jones index. You want to buy the Dow Jones index. How do you actually trade it? So you go into the platform, your CFD provider platform, and you look for this Dow Jones index. Okay, usually for let's say, example, right now Dow Jones is 27,000. Okay, 27,000 right now, and usually you do not need to put up the full capital. Okay, you only need to put up a small percentage of that capital. Okay, small percentage of the capital. Let's say, example, is 10%. Okay, some will be even lesser than that, 5% of that require margin. Okay, you need to put up a margin for this capital. Okay, so let's say, example, is 10%, then will be actually equals to $2,700. Okay, if it's 5%, that will be half of that. This is what we call the margin requirement. Okay, the margin requirement, and they will also tell you that what is each point worth. In this case, generally, because Dow Jones is 27,000, each point is usually worth also $1. Okay, so it is $1 for each point. So one contract size will be equals to 27,000 US dollar, correct? And you only need to put up 10% or even 5% of that margin. So you need to only put in US dollar 2,007, or even half of that amount. Okay, so when you put in 2,007, okay, you can trade up to $27,000 worth of Dow Jones index contract. Okay, and after that, let's say, example, right now the index move. Okay, let's say if you are buying the stocks. Okay, you buy the stocks and the index move up. Let's say go to 27,100. Okay, you make 100 points. Okay, you make 100 points. From 27,000, you go to 27,100. Then what is your profit? How do you calculate your profit? So you use 100 points. Okay, multiply by $1 per point. So your profit will be equals to US dollar $100. Okay, so this is how you calculate your profit. Okay, if you go up by 100 points, then you use 100 points multiplied by $1, which is a per contract size, then you get $100. Okay, of course, on the other hand, let's say, example, you buy 27,000 and you lose, you go down to, let's say, 26,900. Okay, and then what happened? You will lose. In this case, you will lose 100 multiplied by US dollar $1, you will lose, okay, US dollar, $100, okay. So this is how you calculate your profit and loss, okay, based on the number of points. You need to put in the initial margin, okay, 25% can be 10%, and calculate the contract size. Thank you for watching this video. If you all want to find out more about our flagship Systematic Trader course, click on the link below to find out more. So, if you don't want to miss another one of our trading video, remember to ring that bell.